along the bottom of the lakes towards Ulverston. We're staying in Candlewyck campsite.
Candlewyck Green.
Candlewyck campsite, which is £20 a night. There's no electrical hook, but as you can see, I'll show you now, it's absolutely glorious bank holiday weekend. So the solar power coming in should be pretty good. So we're about a couple of miles away now, so we'll come back to you as we approach and show you where it is. It's our first time, so we might get a tiny bit lost, depending on what the sat nav does. Okay, thank you. See you in a bit. Right, we're approaching Ulverston now. And
We're going left here.
Yeah, we're going left up to towards the town centre. So this should be interesting.
It's one way anyway.
Good. It's a lovely little town, Ulverston, if you've never been.
Not a motor on though, but
Well, we'll find
7
out.
metre motor on.
Apparently this campsite we're staying at is a 10-minute stroll along the lakeside into Ulverston, so that's why I picked it. Let's keep it running so you can see Ulverston. Right, we're going up the hill. Everywhere we go in this van we seem to go uphill, don't we?
No, it's doing me head in. It's difficult sometimes when you've got like 70 metres to drag from the hill.
Yeah. Oh, it's concentrating face.
Well, look. I nearly crashed.
100 yards, turn left.
Just concentrate on road, otherwise you might tempt fate. That van driver saw this then and thought I was saying thank you. He waved back because I got my hand up in it. Oh, it's beautiful, isn't it? Where are you going? Oh, that was a quick, sneaky one, wasn't it? Oh, we're going through.
Seen it all rolled and that.
We're going through a housing.
You know we've got ahead of us now, don't you?
What?
I'm not going to swear.
Oh, right. Cyclists. It's not easy going past a cyclist in a van. We're scared of like smacking him with mirror.
Especially when they're going that slow.
I know.
You're not going to get crap all placed out, are you?
Come on, pedal.
Come on, use your calves.
After 200 yards, you have reached your destination
Okay.
on your left.
Right, so we're not far now.
Right. So we're looking for Candlewyck campsite.
Okay.
We're loading.
So it's here somewhere, isn't it?
It's somewhere here, yeah. Whoa, hang on. It's not that one, is it?
It's that.
Candlewyck
You have reached your
Summer Cottage.
destination on
Is
your
that it
left.
Oh, I don't know. What's it say? Birdlands? No. It's on the left. Slow down a bit. Let's have a look. That's it, I think.
Is that it?
Candlewyck, yep. Right, so we're going backwards. Nice Land Rover
Going
Defender.
backwards on an A road.
That's a bit tight, that. Let me just get out and check.
I can't turn round here.
I know, stay.
You've got the road, Lisa.
There's no coming. Just give me 2 seconds.
Hello, welcome back. So we've got on the campsite now. All set up. So I'll have a quick walk round now. I'll turn you around now. Turn around. Come here, Colin. Come here. Come on. So you've got a gate. You come in that gate there. Be aware. We came down this road to the right here, and there's a cottage that says Candlelight, Candlewyck. I'm not sure. Cottage. This is Candlewyck campsite. Don't do what we did and try pulling into the cottage over there, because we got stuck. So by the time we'd sussed it, we've realised this is the gate here. So come down here. So you've got all these pictures here. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pitches. So we chose the end one there because obviously the door's on the other side, so you get a bit of privacy. You got a little picnic bench there, look. Apparently you can walk, where that fella is over there, I don't know if you can see him. There's a gate there behind him, so you can go out this here, go through that gate and walk down to Ulverston, down this path, this river path. So I'll show you where we are now, where we parked up and what we've got. It's not a very big video, this, not going to be a long video. It's all enclosed as well. The good thing about it, yeah, it's all enclosed. We've not had a proper check, but it's not too bad. Because we will watch this little that wily thing there. I'm going to watch him. Because if he sees a dog, sees a rabbit or anything, he's gone. If you don't catch him quick enough, with recall, he's gone. Come here. You'll keep him near you. So there you go. So coming that way, you've got all your pictures there. Now there's no electric. They will get electric from that barn, I think. They will get that for you. But apparently it's not brilliant, so it won't depend on electric. So you've got water. And the fabulous Elson Point. Chemical disposal point there, look. You've got water. Elson there, sorry. And then you've got your water here. And your waste, get rid of you. But what we did, this last pitch here, I've got a 25 metre flexible hose and it just reached here. So I'd say when you come in at first, if you're over one of these pitches, far pitches, you'd have to come down here first, fill up and then park up. But we were pretty lucky because we've got this pitch, you see. Here it is, being us up to no good, innit? Up to no good, you, aren't you? Hey? You got Willow over there.
How good am I at finding sight?
She's in the shade. Lisa's getting ready for
Did you tell them what we just did?
burning to a crisp. I said we'd gone over to that, we told them about the wrong entrance.
Yeah.
And we've just
It's the entrance past Candlewyck.
we've just hit the ladies or gentlemen's plant pot. So we've got to get hold of them and tell them.
I've already messaged them.
Right, okay. It's only fair.
If they're 20, it's probably going to cost us 30.
Probably, yeah. So this is where we are, look. You happy?
What's not to be happy about?
Sun's out, guns out,
We've had this
Colin's out.
September, haven't we? And we've sat through rain and wind and cold and dark.
Yeah,
This is the first time really that we've had sunshine.
Yeah.
Proper.
yeah.
Yeah, so
Because we didn't get the motor on, you see, till September.
No. So
So
is
this
our
first time
summer.
we've actually sat out in the sun, chilling. And he's happy. She's happy in the sun, in the shade. So, what it is as well with the pitch, if you've got ramps, we're quite lucky obviously because we've got, I'll show you the front now, for either side. So we've got struts, you see. So we were pretty lucky. But it is a slight fall. See how it's come off the ground now, look. See how the tyre's off the ground. So it's pretty high up. But it should be okay with your ramps. It's not that bad, to be honest with you. It just looks bad because it's on struts. You see. So that's it really. So we'll come back to you later on. We'll do another quick. Well, we've done a tour of the campsite really for you.
I'll walk down to Ulverston a bit.
We might do, yeah. Could do, couldn't we?
Yeah, get a chippy or something.
Yeah. That means Mark walk down to Ulverston and go and get a chippy. That's what that means. You and Colin walk down to Ulverston and go and get a chippy. That's what that means. Not we. Right, see you in a bit and we'll come back to you. Alright.